Babes Lodumo's reality show Uthando Lodumo was set to return, however, following the tragic passing of her late husband Mamphintsha, also known as Shimora. Babes will now have to take on the responsibility of the show by herself. The South African house DJ and producer Mamphintsha passed away after suffering a minor stroke in December 2022. Reports are circulating that Uthando Lodumo, the reality show that gave viewers a glimpse into the tumultuous relationship between Mamphintsha and Babes Lodumo, is set to return and be renamed Uthando Lodumo Life After Mamphintsha. Although the show drew criticism for what some perceived to be glorification of gender-based violence, its ratings were reportedly high, making it a sensible decision to renew it for a second season.